everyone, I'm Karla with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to turn this white ceramic piggy bank into a colorful custom item with sublimation using the HPN Signature Series mug press. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Let's get started. One of many goals people set to make for a new year is to save more money. And perhaps as motivation to continue this, they should have a piggy bank, specifically personalized to their desires. With these ceramic white sublimation piggy banks, it's definitely possible to pull this off with full color images that can turn these items into something special. With its gloss white surface, sublimation transfers applied to one of these blanks will appear with the best colors and high contrast to stand out. While they may not be shaped like a pig, these customizable banks can definitely save up as much coins as a standard piggy bank, and do so with a fun and memorable image. First, be sure to find or create an image and scale it down to the imprint dimensions of the bank. To pull this off easily with graphic design software, you can download the item's template at heatpressnation.com, which includes safety, imprint, and bleed layers matching its dimensions. As you import your image onto this template, you can organize it below the bleed layer and use it as a clipping mask. Set the imprint and safety layers to 50% opacity, and you'll now be able to scale your image and extra elements down to the blank size easily. With your image ready, you may print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings. Substrate set to ceramic mug, paper set to your paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and change the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid, depending on your image's level of detail. Once ready, go ahead and click Print on SPM. With the transfer printed, trim around the edges of the image, then tightly wrap it around the bank and attach it in place with heat tape. Take the bottom cover of the bank out, then you're ready to apply your image onto a sublimation piggy bank. While it's possible to sublimate these items with a dedicated sublimation oven and oven wrap set up for a full bleed transfer, we'll be showing you how to apply a trim transfer with HPN Signature Series mug press. With the machine still off, this would be the perfect time to adjust it to medium pressure for your bank. Simply slide it inside the attachment. Then you may test press and adjust the machine's pressure until you've found the right setting. Once you're settled with pressure, slide your item out and you may turn on your mug press, setting it to the same setting for a standard mug, 190 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as your machine reaches temperature, be sure to wear heat-resistant gloves to slide your item back in, then press it. After 190 seconds, open your machine and take the item out with heat-resistant gloves, allowing it to cool down for a moment. Once cooled, peel the transfer off the bank quickly, and now it's been customized with your vibrant sublimation transfer. Don't forget to insert the bottom cover back into the bank to keep any coins you insert in place. And for further customization, you can always leave some space on your image to reserve for writing with a dry erase marker. If you'd like to show us your own sublimation piggy banks with us alongside a growing community of customization and heat transfer enthusiasts, be sure to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about sublimation blanks, tools, and supplies, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with a My Expert representative at heat.press/support. I'm Karla with Heat Press Nation, and have a wonderful day.